I have an anxious attachment. Of course I can't go to bed till the argument's over.
I have an avoidant attachment. I'm gonna shut down and run away when we're fighting.
I have an anxious attachment. Of course I'm gonna criticize you and get upset when you're not willing to talk about our problems.
I have an avoidant attachment. When you get critical, I'm gonna run away even faster, leaving you more upset.
I have an anxious attachment. And I don't mean to get critical, I just really long to be close to you.
Yeah, I have an avoidant attachment, and I want to feel like I'm enough for you.
It seems like we just get stuck in this negative cycle where I get loud and critical, and the more I get loud and critical, the more you withdraw and pull away.
Yeah, but why do we do this?
Maybe it's because we're both trying to cope with fears that stem from childhood, like the fear of abandonment or the fear of not being good enough.
It sounds like we're longing to feel safe and connected, but how we react makes us feel unsafe and disconnected.